Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate fudge. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cocoa powder, 3 cups of granulated sugar, and 1½ cups of whole milk. Don't forget 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Prepare a 9 by 9 inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, and milk. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. It's crucial to stir constantly during this stage to prevent the bottom from scorching. Continue boiling and stirring for exactly 5 minutes to ensure proper consistency. This step is key for a smooth, creamy fudge. Once your 5 minutes of boiling are up, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately stir in the 1 stick of butter until it's fully melted and incorporated. Then, add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, beat the mixture vigorously for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice it thickening slightly as you beat it. Finally, pour the warm fudge into your prepared 9 by 9 inch pan and spread it evenly. The hardest part is waiting. Allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours. For an even firmer set, transfer the pan to the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 hour. Once fully set, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the fudge from the pan. Place it on a cutting board, cut into 1-inch squares, and enjoy your homemade hot chocolate fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.